Sometimes a car can suddenly speed up without you pressing the gas pedal, which can be very scary and may cause accidents. But if you know what to do, you can stay focused and stop the car safely. Staying calm and acting fast can help you control the situation and avoid accidents on the road. When the car starts accelerating unexpectedly, hold the steering wheel firmly and focus so you can control the car safely. This way, you will be able to react quickly and keep yourself and others safe. If your car suddenly speeds up on its own, the most important thing to do is put the gear in neutral. Moving the gear shift into neutral disconnects the engine from the wheels, stopping the car from accelerating further. When the car is in neutral, the engine can no longer push the car forward, allowing it to slow down. Even if the engine is still loud or revving, the car will not keep speeding up. This helps you slow down safely and keep yourself and others safe on the road. Push the brake pedal down hard and keep your foot there. Do not tap or pump the brakes. Doing that can actually make the car take longer to stop. Just press it firmly and hold it to help slow the car down quickly and safely. This helps your car slow down as fast as possible in a controlled and safe way. Do not turn off the engine while driving unless you have no other choice. If you turn it off, it can make steering and braking much harder. Only turn off the engine if shifting to neutral does not work, and you have no other choice. Carefully turn the steering wheel to move your car to a safe spot. Try to get somewhere out of traffic. This helps keep you and others safe on the road. Hazard lights are used to signal trouble to other drivers when something goes wrong. So, turn on your hazard lights to let other drivers know there is a problem. This helps keep everyone safe by warning them to be careful around your car. After you stop your car safely, it is very important to take it to a good mechanic. They will check your car to find out why it sped up and fix the problem. Fixing it quickly helps keep you and other people safe. If you ignore the problem, it could cause more danger later. Getting your car checked and repaired on time helps stop sudden speeding and keeps your car working well.